This is my favorite product. I love that I can use it on different surfaces, washing machine, dishwasher, refrigerator, and more. And it is so easy to use it, and I want to show you how I usually use it. And I love that I can easily seal it like that and close it. That is amazing. Just want to show you how I usually use it. Look how clean it becomes. Amazing. This is for my dishwasher machine. That's how I usually clean it. Perfectly clean. It looks so nice. So it is clean. I clean microwave like that. That's why it looks so fresh and clean. All the fingerprints, all the dirt. And I love to use it in these areas too. Look how dirty this is. So I just clean it like that. So now it is very clean. And my fridge, I clean my fridge with it all the time. So one is enough for a long time. So I clean it like that, everything. I love how it removes everything, like all the dirt it removes, and it stays so clean after. And I can clean my garbage can at the last. So I just clean it like that. It is very clean now, and I can throw it away.